All right, guys, so welcome to the 2 minute stream review where we're going to be going through whatever happened on the stream 39 of our development on the action stack and in our blend shape sculpting for the fax-based facial rig. So let's get here into the review. So what happens then is in this stream we were finishing the sculpting of the eye blend shapes and also starting on the eyebrow blend shape. So you can see that we are working there on Bob and getting the brow lower and also the eyelids wide open. And during this process, I was testing a bunch of different approaches, checking if the blend shapes were working together. We already tested that the eye shapes are working properly with the eyes control, and they are creating a pretty interesting, or I mean, you can be the judge of it, but it is creating some soft eye effect that is then giving us some sort of just some good feeling to proceed and keep investing in the system. So we've been working on blend shapes for all of this stream. You can see that I'm testing the eyes and everything else, checking on my own eyes to see if the movement is proper, or how can we combine these blend shapes to create the best output and make the blend shapes blend between each other. After that, we will then start adding this to the script and having it rebuild automatically so that we can then every time get a clean scene with everything that is the latest on the rig. And that is the 2 minutes overview, 2 minutes resume of our live stream. This is how it's going to be done. I'll try to do it on a daily basis. Whenever we have a stream, I'll post this resume here so that we can all understand what's going on, even if you don't have the time to go through 1 hour or 1 hour and a half of live stream. All right, so I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.